Hey guys, how's it going? Hey, listen, I just thought I would hop on really quick. Just one of those days we ain't got nothing for dinner. And me and Jeff were like, what we gonna eat, what we gonna eat, what we gonna eat? Can't figure it out. So I went in the freezer. We've been trying not to eat a lot of processed meat. And your girl put out some sausage, okay? Some hot sausage. If you've not heard of it, it's called Raging Cajun. Let me show y'all. Look on here, look on here, look on here. It's one of those days. Do you ever have breakfast for dinner? So that's what we're doing today. Either we're going to do pancakes. Today is just one of those days. We've been doing good. I wanted to show you the Raging Cajun package. I had to add some water to my sausage because it was cooking too fast. Let me show you. That probably wouldn't have moved, but it's cooking too fast. But do you guys ever have breakfast for dinner? So it's one of those days I got to go to work in a minute, and we ain't got nothing to eat. So we're going to have sausage. I got the protein right here, extra eggs. And then either, like I said, we're going to do toast or pancakes. I kind of want to do toast because I've been doing so good. I wanted some pancakes, but I think I might just eat toast with it. Let me see if I got the wrapper. Hold on. Hold up, wait a minute. Hold up. I do. Hold on. It's Raging Cajun. Okay? So, my friends turned me on to that a few years ago. Yeah, go out there, Jeff. You can start it. Hurry up. We got a couple jobs we're doing, and we're trying to cook. Life is rough, y'all. I mean, everybody got stuff going on, so it ain't just us. So we're trying to cook and work. And we just did not want to eat McDonald's today. We just did not. Anyway, I thought I would just hop on and go over that with you. I did want to leave a tip with you. You know I always got a tip. When you are frying something, be careful you don't go out the house smelling like onions and peppers, because that happened to me. I went somewhere, Jeff had made an omelet, and the person was like, it was a group of us and giving each other hugs and stuff, and they was like, oh, somebody smells like onions and peppers. And I just knew it wasn't me because I didn't eat none that day. But Jeffrey had cooked it. He had made onions and peppers, and the person was like, you smell like onions and peppers. I said, is it me? That's what happened. I said, is it me? I'm like, I know it couldn't be me. And sure enough, it was. So it will get in your clothes, guys. So make sure you're aware of that. I usually try to have some lotion in my bag, like from Bath and Body Works. So if I do eat McDonald's, or if I'm cooking and we walk right out, I can just put a little bit on my neck or something. I do not like smelling like food. So just a little tip for you, because this is about to be good. I'm going to cut it down because, like I said, I got to go out here and do this job. So I'm going to have to let y'all go. But anyway, that's what we having today is dinner. Just coming on and doing a little quick chit chat. What y'all been up to? Bye. It's your girl, Kimmi.